Hello everyone, Abhishek here from TechReviewPro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So without wasting any more time, let's get it started. First of all, open TikTok and search for the video you want to download without a watermark. Once you find the video, tap on the share icon and this will provide you with the various options like a copy link, WhatsApp status, message and many more. Along with these, there is also a save video button. The save video button is good for saving video for offline viewing or sharing, but this basically saves the video with TikTok watermark. So how can you download TikTok videos without a watermark? Okay, let me tell you. Tap on the share button and from the various options slide to the left. Here tap on the second last option, which is live photo. When you tap the live photo option, this will convert and save the video into a live photo. Once done, go to the home screen and open the Photos app. Here you will see that the video has been saved to the camera roll. But as you can see, this is basically saved as a live photo. However, you need to turn this into a video. So what you will do is tap on the share button and from the share sheet scroll down and look for the option that says save as video. Now tap on this and this will save your live photo as a video. But the problem is here in the video you will get a little TikTok watermark. Although that should be fine for many people. Yet if you are a perfectionist and want to completely remove this TikTok watermark, then you can use an inbuilt crop tool and can edit the video as per your liking. Once done with the editing, simply save the video. So this is how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. This is Abhishek signing off and I will see you in the next one.